I'm in a 2009 Chevy Silverado, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, we'll go down and we'll pull the safety release. This should open the hood up. If you hear that pop, that was that safety releasing. If there's no tension at all here, you might need to check behind here to make sure this cable is connected, if you can see that. Now that we did that, up to the front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. So now we'll feel around. Towards the middle here, there should be a lever. So we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then fortunately it's got these nice hinges to help hold it up. That's where it was hooked onto. And then this is that lever I was just pushing. But yep, this is the lever that would what I was pushing to open it up. So double check nothing's bent or broken or out of place. If it's really sticking a lot, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. Make sure there's no debris that needs cleaned up. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Oh, and also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues too. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.